Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off Google Smart Lock on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, Google Smart Lock, as we know together, is a feature by Google designed to simplify your digital life, or it can automatically save your password for apps and website on Android and Chrome and keep your Android phone unlocked in trusted situation. But in other way guys, if you guys don't want that your password is saved to your you don't want to saving your password to your Google account, don't need to be worried because you can turn off the Google Smart Lock. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to Google, and then now you can click on the right top and then go to settings menu, and then now you can go to Google Password Manager, and then after that click settings. And then to turn off the Google Smart Lock, now you can turn off over to save password and auto sign in. Alright guys, so yeah, the Google Smart Lock is already off. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial. And then thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.